Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Before we get going here, just want to say if you like what you see in this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Comments, they go down below. Hit that subscribe button with that little notification bell, turn that on. That way you'll always know when I upload a video. And today I'm going to take the truck out. I'm just going to go wash it off real quick here, so I need to get it fired up. Then I'm going to take a look at that spot on the other side. I should open the door, huh? Pretty nice day here in central Iowa this morning. It's about 9 a.m. I think it's about 45 degrees. Not too much wind, not bad. Thought about washing it by hand later on this afternoon, but wind is supposed to pick up a little bit. It's still gonna be a little chilly. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna take the truck down, wash it off real quick, and we'll get looking on that spot on the other side. That there spot. See what's going on there. That might come off when I wash it. If I'm using the wand on it, I'll try not to blow it off, but if I do, I do. So I'll catch back up with you here in a little bit. I'm not going to take you along to wash the truck off. Plus, I need to charge the darn battery again.
6.5 hours later.
Alright everybody, so I did get the truck washed. It's not 100% perfect, but didn't do it by hand. Did a pretty good job for a wand, wand car wash. But anyway, it's the middle of the afternoon now. It's about 4:15. It's such a nice day out today. It's about 50 degrees out right now. And I just got sidetracked doing other things. But anyway, I will show you what's going on here. So put a little light on the subject here, and you can probably see a lot better now what we have going on here. And I tell you, it's solid. But we're gonna find out. I'm gonna start chipping away at this, and we'll see what's going on back in there. Hopefully it's just the Raptor Liner, and hopefully that's all it is. I'm hoping for the best, expecting the worst. So let me get things set up here, and we'll find out what's going on there. Alright, so here we go. I just got myself a little screwdriver here. We're gonna see what's going on back in here, if I can get this Raptor Liner off of here. I hate doing this, I really do. Yeah, I think we got some rust back in here. Yep, we do. In fact, I think we got a lot of rust back in there. This is not good. I'm going to have to end up cutting this out. Putting new in. Yeah, this isn't good. Not good at all. Well, looks like I know what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, that's no good. I think I might get a sanding disc. I don't even know if I have any left. Get a sanding disc, start sanding away at this. Yeah, we got some major issue there. Well guys, I can't say that I'm thrilled with what I'm seeing here. Looks like she's pretty rusty crusty underneath here. Not exactly sure what happened. I know on this fender, I did some work on that, like I said. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I just didn't get rid of all the cancer that was in there, or got like a rock chip and water got back behind. I don't know what. I don't know. It's not doing that anywhere else, but it is what it is. So I think I'm going to take a sanding disc. It looks like it goes on up in here. little bubble right there, it looks like. So I'm gonna sand all this down, see what we're looking at. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna have to do, if I can cut it out, weld in a new piece, and go from there, or may have to get a whole new fender. And if I do that, I've never blended in paint before, so I could try doing that. But anyway, that's what's going on. It's real life, guys. Real life. Not hiding anything from you here. It's just that fender is like completely eaten through right there. So I'm gonna get the sanding wheel out and sand all this out. Well, guys, it is the next morning. It's about 7:45 in the morning. Went up to the house last night, grabbed something to eat, and really didn't do anything more on the truck, but I'm gonna hit it this morning. We'll see what's going on. Not bad this morning. Supposed to have, well, we aren't, but a couple counties north of here, and then on up into Minnesota, winter storm warning. Later this afternoon, tonight, they could see 8, 9, 10 inches of snow, 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We're supposed to get the wind, but not the snow. I think they say we're supposed to see less than an inch here, so we lucked out on this one. But we're gonna dig into this and see what all we have going on here. It's like all up and through here. So I'm gonna have to decide what I want to do here. I'm not sure if you can buy this section or not. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that and see what all our options are. But yeah, that's just that's no good. Give you a little bit closer look here. Yeah, it's not good, not good. Okay, so they do make that repair panel there. Only it's only 30 bucks. So may have to order me one of those. So just to do that little repair right there, $30 for the for that replacement piece, that little panel. And I don't think I have enough body filler to do that, so I'll have to get some body filler. Have to get Raptor Liner, have to shut the heaters off. Okay, like I was saying, gonna have to get the little panel there for $30. Gonna have to get some body filler, probably, I don't know, I'd like to get a whole another can of it if I'm gonna get it, but anyway. Probably looking at $50 on that at least, all said and done, for the stuff that I get. Gonna have to get Raptor Liner. That's gonna be about, I think I saw it for, well, if you buy 4 bottles of it, about $110. And not sure how much welding gas I have left either. If I have to get a new bottle of that, I don't know what welding gas is going for right now. Also think I'm gonna have to get another box of sanding discs. So all said and done, you're probably looking at $300 or more just to fix that little spot. Wasn't really expecting that, but it is what it is. Got to do it. And if you saw a little bit of red when I was grinding away there, that's what that fender looked like. Pulled it off of a truck in the salvage yard. Can't see in these pictures, but I did some work down on there. Maybe it was on the inside that had some issues. But if you don't know what my truck looked like before, that's what I started with. So she was a little rusty crusty not too terribly long ago. Now you can kind of see in these pictures I did some work on it down there. I just don't really remember exactly what it was. Evidently I didn't do a good enough job in that spot. Somebody also asked if it's doing doing anything like that anywhere else. And no, it's not. Yeah, there's some more. But let's see. Yeah, I can't really find, I don't really have any details on that. I don't know. Anyway, it is, like I said, it is what it is, and we'll get her fixed up. So I'm going to see if I can pull this fender on the bottom out just a little bit. Take this bolt out. Not 100% sure what we got going on here. Yeah, I gotta take more of these. It's attached to the wheel well liner. Anyway guys, I'm going to figure out exactly what it is I need to do here. Anyway, end up cutting that out and putting a new piece in. Really shouldn't be too difficult. We'll get her done. So really kind of a disappointment. I was hoping it was just going to be the Raptor liner that had failed, but like I said, I was hoping for the best, expecting the worst, and that's where we're at. So I'm going to think through all this. Not the end of the world, just kind of a disappointment, but you know, it is the real life and stuff happens. So all you can do is fix it. And something else I want to mention, just hear me out. If you have been thinking about getting a t-shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, channel sticker, and there are a few different styles. This isn't the only one they have, it's just what I got. But if you have been thinking about that, link to merch and stuff, there will be a button on the end screen. Also be a link down below in the description. If you go there, if you enter discount code HOLIDAY20, you'll get 20% off. Just thought I'd throw that out there for you. It's now through December 4th. So pretty good deal. Anyway guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We'll get to hacking away on that here real soon. Give this video a big old thumbs up, comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.